Hi friend. In the interest of you people who want to start their own business from home, I'm presenting this video where you can make use of certain financial functions to estimate what will be the expenditure, how much it will cost. Take an example of simple home cakes and bakes project where assuming you want to start your own project of home cake making business. So I've just put some initial information based on the Google search, assuming these are the investments and this is the rate per kg what you will be incurring for a cake. And before that, let's say I want to take this 34,000 on loan. So if I assuming there is an interest rate of 8% and loan period is 24 months and the loan amount is 34,000, how much interest I'll be paying? So you can make use of a particular function called CUMIPMT, that is cumulative interest payment, where you can just find out what will be the interest you'll be paying throughout this period. So rate divided by 12, NPER as far as the loan period for which you have taken. Present value is the loan amount. Because this is an inflow for us, we have taken loan, so that will be a positive value. Starting period, of course, first month to 24 months is what we are going to serve the loan. Interest calculation, obviously we will go for the end of the month, so by default value that is 0. So here this is no more an optional value. If you see, this is not an optional value, you need to mandatorily mention whether it is end of the month or the beginning of the month. So it works out to 2,905 is the interest what you are going to pay at the end of these 24 months. This is one function which you can make use. Now another interesting tool we'll make use in this video. Based on these workings, I've just calculated the net margin, how much you are incurring. So I've taken presumptive 260 working days at manufacturing 2 cakes per day, and I'm estimating a margin of 35%. So this will be the sale price and this is my cost per kg based on these workings, and assuming this is net margin. Like if I have to work out how many cakes I should be selling to reach a 5 lakh of annual turnover, so I can make use of this what if analysis goal seek, where I'll set this target value to 5 lakh, thereby changing the cells. Let's say I want to find out how many cakes I should be selling to reach the target. So it says 14 cakes per day you have to sell for 260 days to reach this target. This is one way. Now we'll see the other way of doing this kind of calculation by using another data tool in the next following video. That's 2 minutes for you guys. Thank you.